it's me, Sarah. So I look like a bum, but we're gonna fix that. So I took off my hair. This is what my hair looked like when I combed it out, and it's just a big poof. I put a lot of oil into it. First thing first, grab some water. Yeah, spray this all around your hair. So right now, I'm gonna just leave it like this. After I'm done, I'm gonna use the Mary's beeswax to hold everything in place. This is how much product I used so far. So now, I use the Pump It Up Sprints. It looks like this, and literally, I use different brushes for everything. This is a smoother, so this is gonna smooth everything out. You see how smooth that looks? Okay. I'm gonna use this little, this white girl brush and just smooth out the ends. Bought this edge control, so we're gonna try this out. But the usual products I use, I mix these two together and it gives me that sleek
distinct beats.
Hey y'all, now I don't look like a raccoon. But yeah, that's my quick bun fix, my quick updo fix, whatever I call this title. Bye y'all, see you guys in my next video.